lines and shapes. Okay. So lines and shapes, you are having the definition of line, and next you are having points. So in order to represent a point, we are using only capital letters. Suppose this is a point, and how we are naming this point? By giving a capital letters. You can write A or you can write P. Whatever may be the letters, you have to use capital letters to name those points. And same way, if you want to name a line, how many points you have to use here to name a line? कितना पॉइंट यूज करना है लाइन को नेम करने के लिए? 2. Okay, so this is 1 point, starting point and ending point. So you can write it as line segment CQ. It is the line segment. Okay, it is not a line, it is a line segment. Why we are calling it as line segment? Because it is having starting point and ending point. So that's why we call this as line segment, not line, it is the line segment. Okay, so after this line segment and points, we have different types of lines. Can somebody name what are the different types of lines? How much types the lines में? What do we call for this line and this line and this line? Vertical line. Which one is vertical? 1,
Slanting
2,
line.
3, 4.
Slanting line.
Okay. Vertical line. Which one is vertical line? This one or this one? This one. Number 1 or number 2? Number 3?
Number 2.
Number 2 is a vertical line. What about number 1? Standing line. Sleeping line. Right. What is the other name for sleeping line? Icon stand.
4.
Not 4. What is the other name? This is sleeping, but what is the other name of that line? This is vertical line. Standing line is vertical line. And what do we call for the sleeping line? Yes, horizontal line. So this one is horizontal line. Second one is vertical line. What about this one?
Slanting line.
Yes, this is slanting line. Straight नहीं है वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा है. So
Slanting
that is
line.
slanting line. And this one is curved line. So these are the 4 different types of lines. Okay. So after this line, we have studied about flat shapes and solid shapes. So in that chapter, next what we are having flat shape and solid shape. So in flat shape, we were having so many different shapes. Okay. So in flat shape, we are having so many different shapes. What is the name of this flat shape? It is square. So it is a square. Okay. Don't talk. So it is a square. Huh? ना नहीं तो टेक्स्ट बुक में है तो ठीक है. So just we will discuss it revision. So in this square, what and all you have to check? See, in every flat shapes, हमको क्या क्या check करना है? One, we have to see how many sides are there. And next, what you have to see how many corners are there.
4 corners.
Okay. How many sides are there and how many corners are there? That we have to. Yes. So we have
4
4
sides.
sides and 4 corners. So this is your corners, and this line segment is called as sides. And now, can you tell me what is the special property of this square? In a square, all sides are equal or not? square all sides are equal or not? It is equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay. So after square, can you name this shape? Rectangle. So the next shape is rectangle. Now, in case of rectangle, see here in square all four sides are equal. But what about rectangle? All four sides are equal here. Are they equal? Tell me, are they all these four sides are equal in a rectangle? No. Only which sides are equal here? कौन कौन सा side equal है? This side and this side they are equal. What do we call for these two sides? Huh? What do we call for that side? जैसे A side और A side भी equal है. So they are called as opposite sides. Okay, they are opposite sides. So in case of rectangle, which sides are equal? Which sides are equal in rectangle? Two sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So here opposite sides are equal. Now again in rectangle we have four sides and we have four corners. Here also we are having four sides and it has four corners. पूरे टेक्स्ट बुक में है. Okay. So already we are done this thing. So after square and rectangle, what is your next shape? Can somebody guess the next shape? Triangle. Okay. So your next shape will be triangle. We are writing over. So after this, the next shape is. See, everything it is there in textbook, so you don't have to write it. So your next shape is triangle. So triangle means it will be having three sides. Okay. So here it has three sides, and how many corners are there here? We have three corners. So after square, rectangle and triangle, which shape we have studied after these three? Circle and oval. Okay. In circle and oval, how many sides are there? Zero. Sides means it should be a straight line. But in circle and oval, we don't have any straight line. So zero sides. And how many corners are there? Zero corners. So finish this. After that, we will go for next shape. Circle and oval. No need to tell oval. Okay. Okay, तो ठीक है कोई नहीं. And don't talk after completing. after this, your next shape is what? Circle and oval. Okay. Circle and oval. So this is your circle and this is your oval. Okay. So in circle and oval, already we know that how many sides it has. Don't talk. No, zero sides and zero corners. In both, we don't have any sides and we don't have any corners. क्या हो गया तुमको? उससे क्यों बात कर रहा है? कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? Okay. So these are all the flash shapes that we have studied. Total how many flash shapes are there? Total कितना flash shapes है? How many flash shapes are there? Total. No, total कितना हमने कितना shapes सीखे हमने? 5. So what are those 5 flash shapes? What was the first flash shape? Square. Next. Rectangle. Next. Triangle. Next. Circle. Last one is oval. So after these flash shapes, next we will be moving on to solid shape. So flash shape में क्या आता है? You will not be having any thickness. So it will be having only on flat surfaces. Now, if you move on to solid shape, in case of solid shape, it will be having thickness. Like if you take this chalk is also solid shape. Duster is also solid shape. You take anything, they are all almost everything are in solid shape. Okay. So, what is the first solid shape that we are studying? What was the first solid shape that we are studied? कौन सा solid shape सीखे थे पहला वाला? Square. Is it square? No, square is a flat shape, not solid shape. It is just like cube. Cube. Cube is looking like a square, but it is not square. Square में क्या होता है? Flat होता है. And cube, it will be having length, breadth, and height. Height भी रहता है उसमें, ठीक है? Cube. How many of you seen the playing cube? Yes. Cube. How many of you seen? जो खेलते हैं कलर मैचिंग करने वाला. So that is also in the shape of cube. So in cube, all the sides or all the faces are squares. जो faces रहता है उसमें साइड वाला वो पूरा स्क्वायर का शेप में रहता है, ठीक है? So we'll go to that next shape. One by one we discuss. Solid shape. So what was your first solid shape? Cube. Huh? Anybody know how to draw a cube? You know it? Okay, very good. So, how to draw a cube? For that, you have to draw two squares. ऐसे दो स्क्वायर्स बनाना है, एक के अंदर एक, ठीक है? एक ऊपर और एक नीचे. Then just join these corners. एक corners को आपको join करना है. So you are going to get a cube. So now in cube, what and all you have to check here? We have to see three things.
Face, corner,
And one more. In solid shapes, you have to see three things.
size,
Shape,
edge,
face, corner, and edge. Okay. So these are the three things that we have to see: face, edge, and corner. So here all faces are in square shape. So in case of cube, all first page don't talk. So if you see here, in case of cube, all faces are in the shape of square. So now we have to see how many faces are there in this cube. How many faces are there?
4,
Is it 4?
6,
6. 1, 2, 3, 4. साइड में कितना रहेगा? आगे,
4,
पीछे एक, इस साइड में एक और इस साइड में एक. टोटल कितना हो गया? 4. और ऊपर वाला एक फेस है और नीचे वाला एक फेस है. टोटल कितना हो गया? 6. साइड में 4, टॉप में एक और नीचे में एक. टोटल 6. So we are having 6 faces. And next you have to count corners. Corners means this is your corners. How many corners are there?
7, 8. 8.
Total how many corners are there?
8.
8 corners. And edges. How many edges are there? Edges means this lines. Count and tell me how many edges are there.
8.
Is it 8? See here.
12. 12.
1, 2, 3, 4. टॉप में 4 हो गया. 1, 2, 3, 4. और 4 प्लस 4 और इस साइड में 4 है. तो टोटल कितना हो गया? 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and 4 on the side. So total how much you will get total? 12. 12. So in cube, all faces are equal and they are in the shape of square. And it has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. हो गया तो बात मत करना, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं बोलूंगा नहीं. So after cube, what was your next shape? Cuboid. Can you give some examples for cuboid from your day-to-day life? Daily life में cuboid shape में कौन सा shape है? Day-to-day life में cuboid shape में कौन सा object है? कौन सा things है? Can you give some examples for cuboid? क्यूबॉइड का शेप में कुछ भी नहीं देखे आप लोग डे टू डे लाइफ में. तो क्या है? कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है? रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल फ्लैश शेप हो गया. हाँ, बॉक्स. वेरी गुड. सो नाउ बॉक्स इज इन द शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. देखिए अदर एग्जांपल. बॉक्स के अलावा और कुछ देखा नहीं तुम लोगों ने? हाँ, rooms. Very good. Room, if you see the room, it is also in the shape of matchbox. Very good. You are seeing from the textbook. Okay, matchbox is also in the shape of cuboid. Brick, it is also in the shape of cuboid. Okay, so we'll go to the next shape. What is your next shape? So we'll go to the next shape. What is the next shape? Cuboid. Yes, all of you draw cuboid in your notebook. Okay. हाँ? नहीं बनाने आ रहा है. जैसे दो स्क्वायर बनाते हैं. एक हो गया और एक इधर हो गया. So to make cuboid, how to draw cuboid? All of you see here. First, you have to draw one rectangle. क्यूब में क्या किए थे हमने दो स्क्वायर ड्रॉ किए थे. Now to make or to draw cuboid, we have to draw two rectangles. एक rectangle हो गया और उसका नीचे और एक rectangle draw करना है. So this is your second rectangle. So दो rectangle draw करना है और उसके बाद we have to join these corners. इस corner को हमको join करना है. Okay. But draw it neatly. और एक बार ठीक से कर दो ऐसे. So now, if you look at this cuboid, here the faces are in the shape of rectangle. इसमें क्या था? They were in the shape of square. Faces जो था, they are in the shape of square. But here they are in the shape of rectangles. Okay. So now, here also we have to see how many faces are there, how many corners are there, and how many edges are there. How many faces are there?
Six face. 20 edges. 8 corners.
Faces, we have 6 faces. And next we have to find corners.
8 corners.
Corners, how many are there? 8. And next we have to find edges.
8.
How many edges are there?
8.
Is it 8?
12.
12. It just means these lines or borders. Total we are having 12 edges. Okay.
Next cylinder.
Wait. So after this cube and cuboid, what is your next shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. So can you give some example for cylinder from your day-to-day life? Cylinder, gas cylinder. Any other example?
Pipe.
Pipe, very good. Pipe, it is in the shape of cylinder.
Rolling pins.
Rolling pins, okay.
Pencil.
Pencil, they are also in the shape of cylinder. Water bottle, any other shapes?
Pencil pouch.
Pencil pouch, some pencil pouch they are in the shape of cylinder. Any other examples? और कोई examples है cylinder के लिए?
Wire.
Wire, very good. So wires they are also in the shape of cylinder. You can see this wire. This is chalk. It is also in the shape of cylinder. So these are all some examples for cylinder. अरे रुको हाँ दे इसको.
Roti.
So how to draw a cylinder? We have to draw two lines. Okay, like that also you can draw it, and you make one small oval on the upside and another oval on the downside. Or this is vertically I have drawn, and if you want to draw it horizontally, you draw two horizontal lines and you make oval shape here at the bottom and at the end. Okay. So now again you have to see these three things: faces, corners, and edges. So how many faces it
One
has?
covered faces. Two flat faces.
Okay.
Two edges.
Okay. So see here
No corners.
in cylinders, if you see this top and bottom, bottom is here and this is your top. this top and bottom will be having flat faces. Okay. So faces, if you see here, these faces, top and bottom, they are flat. Okay. So we have two flat faces and one curved faces. Curved means roll line. Okay. If you see this in the wire, see this curve. It's a round man. So we are having one curved faces. So two flat faces are there, top and bottom we are having flat face, and in the sides we are having curved face. If you want, you can write here. This is your flat, and this is your flat face, and here we are having
Two edges.
curved faces. So now, how many edges we are having? Not knowing. Leisure period, okay? नहीं है ना maths
Two
period.
edges.
How many edges we have? Two edges. Where are the two edges? One is here on the top, जो circle रहता है, that is your one edge, and another one is at bottom. So we have two edges and last corner. And how many corners it has? Corner means sharp point should
No
be there.
corners.
Do we have any sharp point here? No. So here we are having
Zero
zero
corners.
corners. So total we are having three faces. So two are flat, one is curved. And next edges, how many edges we have? Two edges. एक ऊपर round का जो है, that is your one edge, and bottom में जो round है, that is your another edge, and we have zero corners. No corner is there. So after this cylinder, what is your next shape?
Cone.
Time, is it over? Up to what time? Okay. I think 11, right?
Yes.
Up to the class? 11, okay. So after this cylinder, your next shape is cone.
Cone.
Can you give some example for cone?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, wait, they will give. Wait, what are the examples for cone? No, no. Cone shape कोई देखा नहीं है तुमने? Read to the left में.
Christmas tree.
What is your name? Both of you.
Sir.
Not name. Your name? Huh? Love Kumar. So give me some examples for cone. She told ice cream. Any other example? Wait. Shut up. और कोई example दे दो. You also.
The head.
Wait.
Head.
Ants, all the ants will not be in the shape of cone. Which ants will be in the shape of cone? Birthday ants, they will be in the shape of cone. Christmas tree, it exactly will not be coming, but some trees they will be in the shape of cone. And any other shapes which are in the shape of cone? A pencil that if the top will be there, no? So that will be in the shape of cone. Okay, so these are all some examples for cone. So we'll draw the cone now. So how to draw a cone? पहले हमको V shape बनाना है, and after that we have to draw an oval on the top. Here you have to draw the oval. Okay. Even you can write it downside also. So now again in this we have to see how many faces are there. How many faces we have?
3.
Is it 3?
One covered faces, one flat faces.
Okay. Total we are having 2 faces. वन इज कर्व, जो बॉटम में रहते दैट इज योर कर्व, और जो ऊपर में ये है दिस इज योर फ्लैट फेस. टोटल वी आर हैविंग टू फेसेस, वन इज फ्लैट फेसेस and another one is
flat.
curved face. So total two faces we are having, one is flat face, another one is curved face. Next you have to see edges. How many edges are there in this cone?
One.
One edge. Where it is?
One.
This edge. So जो circle में जो round में रहता है that is your edge, and how many we have? Only one. Okay. So edges will be one, and how many corners are there in this?
Zero. One.
One corner. Corner means what? The sharp tip. Okay. इसमें तो कोई भी sharp tip नहीं था, लेकिन इसमें कहाँ है? Here. So the sharp corner is there. So that is your
One. One.
corner. It is one. So after this, we are left with one more shape, that is sphere. So sphere, all of you can go through your textbook. Okay. Sphere, does it have any face?
No.
No. Does it have any corner?
No.
Does it have any edge?
No.
No. So zero corner and one face will be there, curved face. Okay. And zero edge and zero corner and one curved face will be there. Okay. So just go through these shapes, and apart from this, you don't have anything in that chapter. So you are having flat faces and you are having solid shapes, solid shapes, flat shapes and solid shapes. So only these two things are there. So और एक बार घर में जाने के बाद पूरा याद कर लो. What are the different types of shapes? Wait, still time is there. And others, those who are attending online, wait a minute, I'll give attendance. And don't make noise. Okay. So all of you mark your attendance.